Every night in New York City, thousands of delivery workers navigate dark streets, heavy traffic, and unpredictable hazards. The study shows that in New York City, 1 in 5 delivery workers has been injured on the road during delivery. In low-light conditions, depending on a phone doesn't just distract, it narrows their entire field of vision. There's one tool every gig worker puts on every shift: the helmet. It's mandatory in New York City. What if that helmet became the safest interface a rider could ever use? Introducing SafeDash, developed alongside DoorDash's large-scale delivery network to make deliveries safer, smarter, and more efficient. SafeDash is an AI-powered, autopilot-style smart helmet that lets riders navigate the city without ever looking at a phone. First, connect the app with the smart helmet and set up the helmet's sensors. Then the AI analyzes crime levels, lighting conditions, and traffic in real time, calculating the safest route for every delivery. Instead of using a screen, SafeDash projects light guidance onto the ground, keeping riders' eyes on the road. Its 360-degree awareness system detects potential hazards and instantly alerts the rider with audio alerts. Powered by deep learning, SafeDash adapts to unexpected situations, making safety-first decisions without relying on individual riding habits. Simple head gestures replace taps and swipes, allowing riders to control everything hands-free. And if a crash occurs, it automatically triggers an SOS, sending the exact location to emergency contacts. With SafeDash, every delivery becomes smarter, safer, and more confident, keeping riders protected from start to finish.